Only. Hello, I'm Muhammad Faljin Rafi. What is router? A router is a device that connects different networks and direct traffic between them. It operates at layer 3, network layer of the OC model, and use IP address to determine the best route for forwarding data. Routers are responsible for inter-network communication, allowing devices in different networks to communicate with each other. Key function of a router is one, traffic routing. Routers use routing tables to determine the most efficient path for forwarding packets between networks. They they rely on dynamic routing protocols like OSPF, Open Source First, and BGP, Golden Gateway Protocol to automate network traffic. Number two, network address translation. Routers allow multiple devices within a private network to share a single public IP address when access the internet. That helps. Uh, NAT helps conserve IPv4 address and enhance security. Number three, firewall and security. Most modern routers have built-in firewalls that filter incoming and outgoing traffic, providing security against external threats. DHCP. Yeah. Number four, DHCP. Routers can segment IP address dynamical to device on a network, ensuring seamless connectivity. Number five, wireless connectivity. Many routers also function as Wi-Fi access point, enabling wireless communication between devices. Example scenario: in home or office environment, routers is responsible for connecting multiple device, laptop, smartphone, printers to the internet. When a user access a website, the router ensures that the request is sent to the correct web server and that the response is delivered to the right device.
Hi everyone, my name is Raja Triasa and today I will be explaining about switch. So what is switch? A switch is a networking device that operates at layer 2 or data link layer of the OSI model and is used to connect multiple devices within the same local area network or LAN. Unlike routers which use IP address, switches use MAC address to forward data to the correct destination within a network. There are five key functions of a switch. First, MAC address learning. A switch maintains a MAC address table which stores the MAC addresses of connected devices and their corresponding switch ports. Second, forwarding. When a device sends data, the switch forwards it only to the intended recipient, reducing network congestion. Third, full duplex communication. Unlike older network hubs, switches allow simultaneous data transmission between multiple devices. Fourth, VLAN, virtual local area networks. Managed switches support VLANs, which enable network segmentation, improving security and performance. And last, fifth, quality of services or QoS. Advanced switches allow traffic prioritization, ensuring that critical application such as VoIP or video conferencing receive higher bandwidths. Thank you.
Now I'm gonna talking about scenario of the switches. In an In an office environment, a switch connects multiple devices, such as computers, printers, and IP phones, allowing them to communicate efficiently. For example, when a computer sends a print request, the switch ensures that the data is delivered only to the printer MAC address, minimizing unnecessary traffic. Okay, now I'm gonna talking about the key difference between the routers and the switches. First, in the router, they use layer 3 in the OC layer, and for the switch, they use layer 2 or data ring layer in OC layer. For use, the router use IP address and the switch use MAC address. For the function, router connect different network and switch connect device in a network. For the data forwarding, router use routing table and the switch use MAC address table. For the example of the router is connect home network to ISP. And example for the switch is connect computer in an office. Okay, thank you everyone.
Good morning. Now I'm going to explain about what is MAC address. A MAC address is a or media access control address is a unique identifier assigned to a device network interface or NIC, unlike a IP address, which can change. MAC addresses are permanently assigned by the device manufacturer. Knowing a MAC address is useful for network security, troubleshooting network issues, setting up DHCP reservation.
So for the next method of checking the MAC address is checking the router admin panel. Most router provide a list of connected devices with the MAC address. The first step is in the web browser, enter the router IP can be based on your router. And second, login with admin credential. And third, look for connection device or the HTTP kind list section so you can see all the connection MAC address in the switch.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Farhan Hadil, and now I'm gonna talk about the third part about the GCLC. Checking the router's admin panel using network scanning tools. For larger network scanning tools can identify device and their MAC address and map or Linux, Mac OS or Windows, Nmap SP adversary IP address, IP scanner, Windows GUI tools that scans network and retrieve IP MAC mappings. Conclusion: router and switches are essentially network device with distinct roles. Router manage network-to-network communication using IP address to direct traffic. Switches manage device-to-device communication using MAC address for efficient data forwarding. Additionally, understanding how to find a MAC address from an IP address is useful for troubleshooting security, and network management. By using ARP commands, router setting, and network scanning tools, you can retrieve a MAC address for a better network control. Thank you.
Then, for the conclusion about the overall things that I just shortly explained, routers and switches are essential networking devices with distinct roles. Routers manage network-to-network communication using IP addresses to direct traffic. Switches manage device-to-device communication using MAC addresses for efficient data forwarding. Additionally, understanding how to find an MAC addresses from an IP address is useful for troubleshooting, security, and network management. That's all from me. Thank you.